For this calculation, I'm going to be adding 22,358 to 23,643. I'm going to start with the pictorial method. Now, because in Year 6 we are adding much larger numbers and there aren't any base 10 blocks available to represent the 10,000s, we start using counters. And in real life the counters have the actual digits of the number written on them, but for the pictorial method we have TTH for 10,000s, TH for thousands, H for hundreds, T for tens, and O for ones. Now I've set out my numbers, so I've got 8 ones, 5 tens, 3 hundreds, 2 thousands, 2 10,000s to represent 22,358. I have 3 ones, 4 tens, 6 hundreds, 3 thousands and 2 10,000s to represent 23,643. I'm going to begin on the column furthest to the right, and I'm looking for groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got a group of 10, which I will circle to group together, and that represents that we're going to exchange that for a 10, which I'm going to place underneath the tens column. I now have 1 1 left, so I can write 1 in my ones column. I'm now going to repeat the process in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I now have 10 tens. So again, I'm going to group those together. Leaving space for me to write my number. And because I now have 10 tens, they are going to be exchanged for 100. Which I will again place underneath the hundreds column. Because I've used all my tens, there are no tens left in the tens column, so I can put a 0 in the tens column. I now repeat with the hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 hundreds. So I can group those together and exchange them again for, this time, a 1000 counter, which I'll place underneath the thousands column. Again with the thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, my mistake. I've forgotten to place my digit in here. There are no hundreds left, so I'm going to put a 0 in the hundreds column. Now we can repeat again with the thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are no groups of 10, so nothing to exchange, so I can write my 6 in the thousands. And again with the 10,000s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, no groups of 10 to exchange, so I'm going to put 4 in the 10,000s column, giving us an answer of 46,001. Now how that looks in the abstract method is I'm going to do 8 plus 3 is 11, so I can put a 1 underneath the calculation to represent the 10, and a 1 in the ones column to represent the 1 of 11. I'm now going to repeat here. 5 plus 4 is 9. Add the 1, which I'm going to cross out, is 10, so I can put 0 in the tens column and carry over the 1, or exchange the 1 for the 10 tens for a 100. I'm now going to add 3 and 6 and 1. that's 10 hundredths. So I put a 0 here and exchange my 1 over. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. And 2 plus 2 is 4. Leaving us again with an answer of 46,001.